learning agent, okay, which will learn. So here comes the concept of machine learning. How intelligent we are. So if we are learning from our mistakes, we are intelligent. If we are doing same mistakes again and again, we are not intelligent, right? So how an agent will become intelligent? By learning. By learning. So it should have some sort of learning environment. It should have some sort of feedback that it will give us. Like if we'll perform this action, this is the outcome, and this is the outcome is a good outcome or bad outcome. If it is a bad outcome, I'll not perform that action again. If it is a good outcome, I'll perform that particular action. So based on the learning, if some agent is choosing the action, then it is called learning agent. So a learning agent can be divided into four conceptual component as shown in particular figure. The most important distinction is between the learning element, which is responsible for making improvement, and the performance element, which is responsible for selecting external action. So we have the performance element and we have the learning element. There are two elements. The sensor will sense the current percept or current sequence. Performance element will perform the action. It will take the help of the learning agent. It will take the help of the learning agent, take the knowledge, give the knowledge to the learning agent, and whatever changes it will do in the performance element. The performance element is what we have previously considered to be the entire agent. It takes in percept and decision on action. So the performance element you consider as the action that it is performing as the agent. So whatever this particular, the whole agent is doing, this particular whole agent is doing is this. The learning environment uses feedback from the critic. Then we have the critic, which will give the feedback to the learning environment. The feedback is based on what outcome we have achieved by doing that particular action. So the learning agent will learn it, how the agent is doing, and determining how the performance element should be modified to do the better in future. The last component is learning agent, is the problem generator. It is the responsibility. It is responsible for suggesting action that will lead to new and informative experience. So we have the problem generator. His responsibility is for suggesting actions, whatever action that has to be performed, that has to be suggested by the problem generator, and it will lead us to new and informative experience all the time. So the learning goal, whatever the goal is given to the problem generator, based on that, it will choose the action. The action will be given to the performance element to perform it. Through the actuator, it will perform those actions. And then critic will give the feedback whether the action outcome is good or bad. And based on that, the learning environment will change its action. So always the changing will be done. The knowledge will be taken by the performance element through the sensor data, through the feedback, learn it. It will give this learning goal to the problem generator. Problem generator will define the action. Action will be given to the performance element. It will actually perform the action associated with it. And through the actuator, the action will be performed into the environment. So in the learning agent, these four components will be there. There is a critic, there is a learning agent, there is a performance agent, and there is a problem generator.